Sweet Super C action coming at you with the 2025 Magnitude Grand R36. 37 feet, 2 inches in length. In this configuration, seatbelts and sleeping for 7. You'll want to live it up with some reclining theater seats. You can replace the sofa with some theater seats. That's going to give you seatbelts and sleeping for 6. Love the Magnitude Grand. This floor plan's awesome. It is a bunkhouse model. It has everything you need for just super adventures, right? You got to put the super in Super C. I'm going to start here. Got a nice breeze coming in that screen door. I'm kicking back. You can open the awning style window over here and just let that breeze blow through. Sunshades. You have lights, you have storage, and this also makes into one of the comfortable places to sleep. So look at this. So we have wireless charging for the ride. There are also USB-A ports down here, cup holders, a couple of seat belts here, as well as a child safety tether, a little handle, pull that, push down, slide the cushions, boom, 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 bed, and a little storage right here as well, right? So maybe the little one's sleeping here, stores the stuffy in there. Old Bluey. Bluey can cuddle up and away you go, or maybe Bluey wants to live over here on the sofa. You can fold this into a bed, or you can just sit down and kick back, or again, you can get theater seats in here depending on what you like. You also have USB plugs, 110s, push button reading lights, ton of storage right here. Nice TV over the cab, so you can just kick back, put your feet up, watch yourself a little TV. You also have the Winegard Connect. Maybe you want to hook up to the internet, get some work done, watch TV, whatever it is you want to do, make it happen, right? It's your R36. Make it a grand adventure. It's the Magnitude Grand. 800-pound capacity in this massive over-the-cab bunk. Nice powered sky shade. Open and close that with Rapid Cam Plus. We'll walk through that in just a minute. What I love about this is up front here, you have a cup holders here. You also have some storage up here, and this bunk is massive. Now, there are people who have Super Cs. If you don't need this bunk for sleeping, it makes a wonderful place for some additional storage. Granted, we have a ton of storage in here, even if you want to use the bunks for storage or a closet. Make it work for you. Love the look. Take a look at the two-tone cabinets in here. This is our rain dance decor with our Brighton wood. It's great. Love the two-tone look, and we're showing off the kitchen, so let's do it. Let's talk about all the goodies in the kitchen here. Large storage down below, wastebasket right down there. Drawers, double bowl sink, pull-down sprayer, pop-up outlet, 110s, USB-C, USB-A. Yep, that'll work when you have that 6,000 watt quiet diesel generator fired up, and you control that right over here with Rapid Cam Plus. So from here, control that sky shade, tank levels, check your solar from here. 100 watts comes standard. If you would like more, because more is better when it comes to solar, right? You can option in the Solar Panel Plus package. That is gonna give you a total of 500 watts of solar. From here, generator, auto gen start, 6,000 watt quiet diesel, lights, climate, you have two 13,500 BTU ACs on board, fans, control your slides, your power awning will show you when you go out, and from here you can connect to your mobile app so you can control everything inside or out. Let's talk more about what we have in this kitchen. Microwave, 3-burner gas cooktop, lots of counter space, and check it out, an oven. For those of you who love an oven, you get it in the Magnitude Grand R36. Pantry galore. Look at all the drawers. You can open these in a nice, look at this, we're gonna make it all fancy for you. Make it all fancy. There you go. Stack them up. Look at that, aesthetically pleasing when you're done. Just close them all up, and away you go. And unlock your residential fridge and freezer. That is massive, right? All the goodies store in there. Love a large residential fridge because you're gonna need it if you are traveling with the entire family and your bunks are full. So use this as bunk beds like we have it set up right now. Over here you have 110s, USB ports. If you wanna add in some TV, you can. There's cable connection right back there. But you may be thinking, you know what? I don't need the bunks. I need the storage. I like sleeping in the over the cab. I'm not gonna sleep in the bunks. What I want is to store my stuff. You can move this cushion, flip this up, lock it into place, and look at this. Tons and tons of storage. There's even a little privacy curtain back here so you can make it work however you need, in the Magnitude Grand storage down below. Love it. How about this bathroom? This is great, right? Plenty of storage back here, a couple of cabinets, medicine cabinets, your toilet, your sink, your shower, the glass door, tankless hot water, skylight up above. Great bathroom, and a massive king-size bed back here. Roof AC up here, lots of storage in the back. And over here, look at this. Oh, gonna sit down. Maybe you wanna tie your shoe, right? Maybe you did something to your back. I don't know what that's about. I tried to lift my dog the other day, and that did not go as planned. Big golden retriever. So now, I'm just gonna tie my shoes like this because it hurts less. How about adding a washer dryer combo? This is all plumbed for that. You can throw a combo unit right in there or use it as a closet. Nice storage here. Ladders for the bunks and the over the cab bunk. TV back here, storage behind. Lots of great features inside and great features outside. I want to show you this exterior kitchen. One-touch leveling jacks right here inside the door. And away we go, right back here. Look at this. This is awesome. This is a great setup. Great setup right here. Sink, your fridge, storage, and an exterior propane connection. So you can hook up a grill or a griddle and go to town with whatever you need when you are outside barbecuing. We're gonna walk around this way. Large storage bay. You wanna drain your fresh water tank. That is right in there. Rotocast material, so they're not gonna mold, they're not gonna mildew, they're not gonna get stinky. A couple of 110 plugs there. You need to be plugged into your shore power or have that generator on for those. Propane fill is right here. Right here, batteries and breakers. You have your house batteries in there, and you get 2 additional house batteries with the Solar Panel Plus package. TV outside, right under that beautiful awning, so you can watch your TV, put out the awning, grill up something. Oh man, this is living. Love this R36. Let's shut this door for a minute so we can walk on down. Lake Havasu paint on this. And then we get into another bay. You can see there's a drain right here, so you can wash these out, store whatever you need in here. We'll shut this up, walk around. This is gonna be on our F600 chassis. Yep, you got 4-wheel drive on this. This is a 4x4. Wonderful dash in here. Everything you need, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have all of your drive modes. Love the way it's set up. A lot of safety features built in here as well. 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8, 330 horsepower. Tons of torque. It's going to get you where you need to go. Remember, it's not a dedicated off-road vehicle, but because you have the 4-wheel drive, you get that extra stability right there. Keyless entry, right over here. Courtesy lights, nice running boards. You also have side view cameras mounted right here, so when you turn your directional on, that will pop up for you. We have a lot of storage bays down here. I'm just going to open these babies up, let you take a look inside so you can imagine all of the things you want to bring with you. There is your quiet diesel 6,000 watt generator. Another bay here that contains all of your plumbing. You even have a mass rating system on here as well. Hot and cold water on your exterior shower. City water connection is right there, and these are all the specs on your black tank, your gray tank, and your fresh water tank. So now you know. And then as we head to the back, another large storage bay. Again, this is that giant pass-through bay. Right here is going to be your diesel fuel. You have 2 fuel fills on here. One here, and the other one I'll show you real quick is right up here. There's one there, and you have one here. So 2 fuel fills there, and then finally, right back here, one last bay. So in here, maybe you want to store your 50 amp shore power cord, 50 amps to fire everything up you need. and it's electric when you build your own Magnitude Grand and get the MSRP right now at thormotorcoach.com.